We are here with the board, and one of the key things is to visit the site and also share with the governor how we can come up with a memorable monument in the history making. Secondly, we have discussed with the governor and we want to see how we can project to do that monument and also secure that site as a historical site for in terms of our heritage. Also wanted to say that we are also here at this time, and we wanted to say that on Tuesday we have made a call to recognize heroes for 2026. So as we sit here today, we are also doing an emphasis to share with the public that kindly go through our website, go through our communications, and if there are any other persons worth being honored, we are open and we can receive those requests, and the council will handle it very, very well.
Many a times people have only recognized Mau Mau and all these other people, but the truth is, if you check history of Mekatilili or Menza, I think she's the one who started the rebellion of the Muzungus.
She's the one.
Yeah, but now they put the priority. You have to hear some Kenyans who say they are Mau Mau sons and daughters, but the reality is the first daring person on fighting Muzungus was Mekatilili Menza. Actually, the Giriama rebellion through Mekatilili Menza should probably have been the top of discussion in the country. It will both serve as a gateway for our youngsters and people to learn something of the history of the community, but also properly plant can also be part of the tourist attraction. The way you go to get the ruins and talk about, you go to Vasco da Gama in Malindi, everybody visits Vasco da Gama when they come to Kilifi. Or that, only that pillar at the beach. So putting together the history of Mekatilili and where the site will be and properly organized can be part of tourist attraction and also a learning center for our children in schools.
Ni furaha yangu kubwa na furaha ya Madika na pwani nzima kwamba Heroes Council wametambua juhudi ambazo huyu mama alizifanya, na sasa hivi tuko pamoja, tunashirikiana mpaka tuweke kielelezo cha kumbukumbu zake katika harakati za kutafuta uhuru katika nchi ya Kenya.
Mimi nahitaji tu ule munara wa mama huyo unajulikana kila pahali. Kama mtoweka wapi tutaenda kukaa, tujue tutaweka wapi, lakini msimsahau mama na yule wanja ambaye ametajwa hapa. Mameleta pamoja na huyo mama. Kwa hivyo tunataka tuzidi kushikana zaidi.
Government through the National Heroes Council has recognized our hero Mekatilili wa Menza, and we promise to work closely together coming up with a monument in honor of this hero.